Hey, Sparks. Well, thanks for being here. I just wanted to chat for a moment and let you know a little update. Yeah, for over a year, I was an incredible tiny home independent contractor, sales rep, dedicated to helping their sales increase while learning so much about the tiny home structure. It was a really great ride while it lasted, and I really enjoyed my time reviewing their homes and sharing about their sales. And it's a really hard choice for me, but I am choosing to no longer be an ITH sales rep. I wasn't able to mention like other tiny home builders when I was with ITH sales rep on my channel. So it was really difficult to keep it in to just their tiny homes. Yeah, I want to be able to like explore other tiny home options, maybe do reviews, interviews, reactions to a variety of tiny home builders, van life videos, etc. And being tied to just one tiny home company just won't work for me anymore. Yeah, things are kind of changing, so we're going to move forward. If you are an incredible tiny home lover and follower, I hope you continue to stick around our channel here and follow what is on the horizon for our adventures. I truly appreciate all of you who have tuned in and have subscribed. It's moving the channel forward and is super, super helpful. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome. I am Cindy Lou Creates, and we are here doing a variety of different things that are at my heart and in what I love to do. And coming soon in the future, I am having an intro video more about who I am and the direction of where I'm going and where the channel is going to go. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and make sure you bop that bell for notifications. So impress all so that way you get all of them. You'll know when videos drop or even if I go live. And guys, thanks again so much. You mean the world to me. And I hope you will follow along again in these adventures because there's so much to come. And I will be sharing about myself and why I am doing what I'm doing. I think it will help many other people. I think that there are a lot of hurting people out in this world, as I am in myself. And chains have to be broken at some point. So stick around, guys. We hope to see you soon. Take care now. And don't forget, happy trails to you and sparks ignite adventure. All right.